The Hub is a space where we bring like-minded business people together, especially in somewhere like Newtown in mid-Wales. You can be quite rural and often feel like you're the only person doing the job you're doing.
So I think having a support service where we can actually help these businesses prosper and grow, especially at times like at the moment, is so important to the community.
What the Hub does is puts people in touch with other people from different parts of mid-Wales and in different industries, and they can then build those connections together, learn from each other, advise each other, and even potentially help them build their business as well, and maybe get a client out of these business relationships. And from what we've heard from clients, they've really benefited from the services we offer.
It's great to have a venue where you can meet and network with people, which is possibly the main attraction, but it is also useful to have a somewhere to come and work and to get away from
my office. It's nice to come in and be somewhere different, isn't it? And you get to speak to people that aren't like your dog.
So having the opportunity to network with local businesses, because at the end of the day, they're my target market.
There's just a lot of distractions, isn't there, in the main office, so it's good to just completely get away from that and just drill down on some key projects that you want to progress to keep the company moving forward.
I think co-working is a really growing trend at the moment. I think people are really learning about the advantages of working with others.
You generate a lot more ideas when you collaborate with other people, and sometimes that's not that easy online, on the phone, being able to meet up in person.
And it's a neutral environment, isn't it? So there's no distractions personally from either side.
The Hub, you feel part of something. The networking sessions, you feel like you're part of that group and people are listening to you and recognising you.
It's always great to share ideas. You can learn a lot by just simply talking to people.
And I think that's why people, when they're starting out on loan, they may have been employed for 20 years and this is a massive change in their life for them. So to know that there's a support service out there where they can be amongst people that are going through the same, I think that's what means a lot to people, is to be part of something quite special.